altcoins crash proof? Watch out, Bitcoin. There's a new captain in town. In this show, I'm going to talk about, is the Bitcoin crash actually over so everything can go back up? Why Ethereum is the captain now, baby. And I'm going to show you this exact crash-proof altcoin portfolio that performed extremely well yesterday while everyone was freaking out, calling their moms. We had a crash-proof portfolio, so let's get it on, baby. Welcome to the Kale Show. Guys, I'm super pumped to be here today because yesterday was a crazy day to be on Twitter. I've got an amazing show planned for you. I got the predictions for what is coming with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with altcoins, and the overall portfolio and how it was performing. We're gonna get to that in just a second. If you're excited about this video and excited about where we're at in the market right now and excited to be done with Bitcoin dumping on us, please take out your thumb right now and just smooch on that like button. I know everybody asks, but we're different here on this channel. We actually do it. You guys actually help me out. It really helps me because look, we're almost to 100,000 subscribers, guys. 100,000. This is actually like a big milestone, and I'm proud of all of us, to be honest. Like, this is crazy. And so if you've been watching this channel, if you've got any value out of it, if you could just smooch that button today so that we can bang this out and get over 100,000 subscribers, that'd be incredible. I'd be really grateful. And obviously follow me on Twitter, guys, because I talk about a lot of this stuff a lot sooner. And then a quick update on 2+2 Genesis. Again, guys, we are dropping utility either in the next couple days or early next week, which means you are going to get an airdrop, a free airdrop if you own one of these NFTs. And then a token is coming as well. I don't want to give away too much stuff here, but this is absolutely going to explode once people realize what we have planned for it. So let's get on with the show. So we have to talk about Bitcoin, guys. Yesterday was a wild day on Twitter. I was sitting there all day, and it was like almost one of those days where I wanted to just throw my phone out of a window and just say, all right, I'm done for the day. These people are panicking for no reason. This is absolutely ridiculous. If anyone else feel like that, smooch the like button if you felt like Twitter was just so negative yesterday, right? It was so negative. And we saw that the fear and greed index went down, and we'll talk about that in a second. But the Bitcoin price in general just took this giant dump, right? We came down here and we were just like, we suck. And it sucked. Like, it was a horrible day. If you look at the daily chart, like, look how far down we are from our all-time highs, right? We went up to $69,000 here and we just came right down. And so the question on everyone's mind, right, is this over, right? Is the pain over? And so I think I have an answer for you guys. I honestly do. The answer is we will see. We will see very shortly here, okay? So if you look at the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour chart is actually really interesting because we've had a nice rally this morning, right? We have a buy signal here on the hourly chart that has been confirmed, or has almost been confirmed here on the next candle. So that is very interesting because the last time that we had a buy signal, look, we had a nice little rally up. And if we go back on the hourly chart, where is the last time we had a buy signal? Holy crap, all the way back here, right? We had a buy signal all the way back here, and then we went all the way back up. So it is definitely encouraging to see a buy signal on the 1 hourly chart right there. But that alone is not enough for me to say, hey, look, the bottom is totally in. So I always want to rely on people that are smarter than me, right? Because if you're new to crypto, right, you're probably thinking, how do I draw these lines? And excuse me, I don't know where to put all these squiggly things and bullish divergence and you know what I mean? It's just insane. So what I've learned early on is that you just need to rely on people who are smarter than you. So what I've done is I pulled up this chart. This is from Crypto Banter this morning. Sheldon the sniper, you guys know Sheldon. He's incredible, right? And so he drew these two lines right here, and I've actually redrawn them here because I want to explain them to you guys because I think this is the line in the sand, and he's perfectly right, and what he is saying aligns with what everyone else is saying who is much smarter than me, okay? So this right here are the two lines that we need to watch, and I've redrawn them here, and I'll explain in a second. And then I also have this tweet from Pentoshi. Pentoshi, as you guys know, is probably the best Bitcoin trader on Twitter, and he says the ETH reaction is where it should be from last week. So we'll talk about that in a second. Ethereum looks incredible. But he's also saying that Bitcoin looks much worse and needs to get back above 61K. So for now, he's watching to see if the market puts in a lower high at 59 to 61K. So as you can see here, he's got these beautiful charts here and these beautiful lines. And right here, he's showing that the new support level is at $52,000. And if we're able to get back above $61,000, that changes things, right? That makes the structure look a lot better than if we come back up and we just set like another lower high at 59,000. So let me show you another way on the chart. I don't want to get too technical with this channel because I know you guys don't really care. But I do want you to be prepared for like, hey, are we going to dump soon? Or is all my net worth just going to go to zero? Because it's important what Bitcoin does, because then it affects our altcoins. However, the crazy thing too, if you guys stay till the end of the video, I want to talk about how some of these coins literally were unaffected. Like yesterday happened and then they bounced right back. And so these are some of the best buying opportunities right now. So stay with me while I go through this Bitcoin stuff, because it honestly is kind of boring to me too. Like, I don't care about Bitcoin. I don't own any Bitcoin. Bitcoin is such a boring ass coin. Like, who cares? But we have to chart this stuff. We have to figure this stuff out because we want to know when our altcoins, when's the best time to buy altcoins for maximum gains, right? Does that make sense to everybody? Okay, so on this chart, as you can see, we have these long-term trend lines, okay? So at the bottom, if we break this, guys, this is when, if we were to come down just right now and just smash through this right here, that is when you could probably sell everything and call your mom and say, hey, crypto's over, right? So if we did something like, that's honestly my plan. So if we somehow do something like this, right? We come up here, we get rejected, we come down here below $50,000 and we just come up and we keep getting rejected right here at this line, then I am going to sell everything right here and exit the market, okay? Just so you guys are aware. But the chances of that happening, I think, are almost zero. There's always a chance that there could be a world war or something that would really cause the price to go that low and break the overall market structure. But I do not see that happening at all. Like, I really, really don't. What I do see happening is this, okay? So right now, we're getting a nice little bounce here. And so I do expect to come up and test this level right here. Just like Sheldon said today on Crypto Banter, he put it perfectly. So we'll probably come up here over the next couple days and we'll probably try to test this. Now, if we break this level, right now it's at like 62,000, 62,500. If we just break through this, we're gonna go back to all-time highs. Like, we're going straight back to all-time highs. So that's option number one, okay? Another option though, is because it's not Thanksgiving yet. Thanksgiving is pretty much the line in the sand, guys. I've been telling you guys that I really, really think that on Thanksgiving and after, whoa, where is Thanksgiving? Well, I'm drawing this chart so wrong right now. Okay, let me put the Thanksgiving line in here so that we can draw this better. Okay, so here's the Thanksgiving line. You guys see this? I need to change this color. Oh! Guys, let me know in the comments if you enjoy me charting stuff out, because I'm really bad at it, but it's kind of funny just to see me like struggle, okay? So this is the line in the sand, okay, right here, which is November 20, we'll just call it November 26th, and I'm gonna try to zoom out on this chart, because this is important, guys, and look at how slanted my lines are. Wow, I'm really good at this, guys. I'm so good at this. Okay, so here's the two scenarios. I swear I know what I'm thinking. It's hard to show it on the screen. Okay, so look, I think over the next few days, we're gonna come up, probably even the next couple days, we're gonna come up here, we're gonna test this line right here, okay? Now, option number one is we break straight through this and go back to all-time highs. That would be the best case scenario, right? Everything will go crazy, all your altcoins will go crazy. Another option is that we come back up here, right? And then we do not break it right away, and we immediately come back down and test this line at about 53,000. I drew my line a little bit wrong. It should be 53,000, right? And then after Thanksgiving, right around Thanksgiving, we come back up, we break this line and we go on, okay? So those are really the only two options. Does that make sense? So option number one, we break through up here, we just go up from here, and right now is probably the best time possible to buy, because if you buy here, you're always going to be making money as we go up. Does that make sense? Or you could wait, I guess, you could wait, and you could see if we get rejected on this line, and then we're gonna come back down to this line right here, and this would honestly be the best place to buy. Probably, but there is a caveat with that. Okay, so that's the Bitcoin price prediction, right? But I want to talk about the new captain in town. Remember how I told you guys? Wait, where did I throw? I threw the whiteboard. I threw this whiteboard so far away today. Oh my gosh, I chucked it to the back of the room. Okay, look at this, guys. I told you that ETH is the captain now, okay? So is the Bitcoin crash over? Honestly, I just showed you guys the scenarios. It's either over or it's almost over. Like, we're within a few days, it's gonna be over. But we have a new captain in town. If you look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, guys, it's the most bullish chart in the history of crypto. Like, it really, really is. So we have a buy signal here. I've been showing this on this channel for over a month. If you go back and watch my videos, I would encourage you to do this because I have called this one perfectly, okay? I told you there's a buy signal right here on the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, which means Ethereum priced in Bitcoin, right? The last time that we had a buy signal on the daily chart was down here. I mean, we had this one, but this one is not, it wasn't following the same type of structure in my opinion, okay? It's really, really different. This one right here, the last time we had a strong buy signal here, we had a 2 to 3x increase in Ethereum, right? Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin by 2 to 3x. I cannot stress enough, like, I don't know how loud I need to make my voice right now for you to understand that if this plays out again, you are going to be so wealthy holding altcoins, right? If you hold, Ethereum is the daddy altcoin, right? Ethereum is the altcoin, right? So if you hold other altcoins or Ethereum and it's outperforming Bitcoin by 2 to 3x, you're going to make so much money that everyone's going to think you're a drug dealer, right? And so it's absolutely, it's just so important that you understand this chart and how important this is. And then you look at this, you look at the Bitcoin dominance. Look, Bitcoin dominance is falling off a cliff. And why is that? It's because Ethereum is outperforming. Whoa, don't ignore that line. It's because Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin extremely, like heavily right now. Like it's not even close. Like if you just look at it, right? Ethereum's up 5% today. Bitcoin's up 1% today. Like it is rocking Bitcoin. And this is really, really good for altcoins, guys. Like seeing dominance drop, seeing Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. Like there's a new captain in town, guy. There's even a buy signal on the Ethereum USD chart down here. The last time we had one of those, we had a nice little rally too, right? And so every sign, including the most important one in my opinion, Raoul Pal saying that he expects 100 to 300% rally, highly probable into the end of the year. So if we get a 1 to 3x in Ethereum by the end of the year, what do you think is going to happen to some of these altcoins, right? And that is why, overall, I'm making this case right now that we have a crash-proof, and I'm not kidding, like I hate to say it, but we kind of have a crash-proof altcoin portfolio. Because, number one, Ethereum is the captain now, right? I tweeted this yesterday. I do think that Ethereum is going to take over. I'll talk about that in a second. The time has come. Ethereum needs to look Bitcoin dead in the eye and say that I am the captain now and lead the way out of this, right? You guys remember the movie? I am the captain now. Look at me. Look at me. I am the captain now. If Ethereum takes this market over, which I think it will, based on Raoul's prediction, based on the charts, based on everything, that if Ethereum kind of takes the driver's seat in this market, that makes all of your altcoins pretty much crash proof, right? Because if Ethereum keeps outperforming Bitcoin, everyone will have so much confidence in their altcoins and they will just keep loading up. That's just how this market works, okay? And so I want to show you what happened to this portfolio because it's kind of crazy, right? I've been talking about this altcoin portfolio since literally the first video on this channel. You can go back and watch. The first video was on whatever day this was. Let's look. $1 million market cap. The first video was on September 14th. September 14th, 2021. I've been talking about this same exact portfolio. I've been holding it this entire time. Now, I want to show you something. It's pretty small here, so I'll try to make it bigger. Okay, but see how the portfolio, this is yet seven day chart, right? Obviously we were a little bit higher like 5-6 days ago, but we've had a pretty bad dump with Bitcoin, right? But what is most interesting to me, and what you need to smooch the like button on this video so freaking hard if you understand what I'm saying here, okay? This portfolio is made up of all altcoins, mostly small, little altcoins, like tiny little market cap altcoins. So if Bitcoin takes a dump, these coins should dump, right? They should just totally crash. Like that's what everyone thinks about altcoins, right? If Bitcoin dumps, oh, your altcoins are gonna go to zero instantly. Well, that's not exactly what happened. Look, so yesterday, Bitcoin took a huge dump, right? Everyone was freaking out. Fear and greed index down to 32. Everyone's freaking out. Look, it went down, and today, look at this, right back up to where it was. You see how these levels are the exact same? If we were not in a bull market, right? This would not happen. I guarantee you that. It would just be straight down. Everyone would be jumping back into Bitcoin and your altcoins would be literal toast. But right now, these altcoins are being supported by the captain, which is Ethereum, and all of them are just so bouncy, so juicy, and just such, in my opinion, amazing buys. In my opinion, I am not waiting for this to play out, right? I am not waiting for Bitcoin, because Pentoshi even said that Bitcoin looks much worse than Ethereum, okay? So if Ethereum, he said Ethereum is right where it should be. So right now, I'm not even focused on Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin can do whatever the hell it wants, right? Bitcoin can come down here and just and get screwed up here and then come down here and test this line and then go up. I don't really care. As long as Ethereum, if you look at the Ethereum chart, as long as Ethereum continues to maintain its structure, which it is, right? If I just go to the hourly chart here, like look, it's just gonna maintain its structure and go up like this. All your altcoins are going to be just fine, guys. That's why we have, and I hope you enjoyed how I kind of constructed this video, right? Because I didn't want to just say like, oh, it's crash proof, you're good to go, nothing will ever stop, because there's never any guarantees in crypto, right? But building the case this way and the argument this way, that Ethereum is in control of the altcoin market right now, and as long as Ethereum continues to look good, which it looks amazing from every perspective, your altcoins are basically bulletproof, guys. And so it just makes me so excited to own stuff like this. So let's talk about some of the stuff that's just been performing great. Like Ocean Protocol, up 16% today, right? I've been talking about this coin forever. It's a dot ecosystem coin. It's just an incredible buy, Altura, look at it. Look at Altura. It held that 25 cent. I mean, I know this is small, guys, but it held that whoa! It held that 25-cent line. Like, so it might have dropped a little bit below, but look at it. Now it's above the 25 cents. It was at 25 cents when we had the big first Bitcoin crash, right? So not only is it holding the line, it's bouncing strong, strong, strong. And the reason for this is because all the metaverse coins are going absolutely crazy. Like, if you guys just go check, like, I'm not into chasing all of these pumps because these pumps I don't think are going to last because these coins are a little bit too big, right? Wilder World, another great buy right here. I mean, a great project, but it's up 22% today and has a pretty big market cap here. But the reason this is up is because it's a metaverse project, right? Mana is a metaverse project, right? All of these coins that are based on metaverse, but look at this, $7 billion market cap. Like, I'm not interested in this, right? But I am interested in Altura, which does smart NFTs, right, for the metaverse. It literally bridges the gap between gaming and NFTs. I've talked about this 40,000 million bazillion times, but look, $163 million market cap. I'm much more interested in these small gems that have much more room to run from here, much more room to run, that are still bouncing in the same exact way that something like Mana is bouncing, right? Because obviously people are still scared. Like, like this dump just happened yesterday, right? I don't expect these coins to do like 100% right this second. But the second that Bitcoin or Ethereum, most probably Ethereum, honestly, but Bitcoin breaks this line right here, you can bet your little ass that all of these coins, man, all the coins in my portfolio are going to go absolutely bonkers. And the ones that have a smaller market cap are going to go up more. It's just math, guys. It's simple math. That's what we talk about. That's why we named our project 2+2 Genesis. Because in this project, we are looking at, if you go into our research hall every single day in our Gen Hall, and all of these incredible people are working all day, every day to find coins like Relay Token. I haven't even looked at this one, but look at all this stuff in here. What's this one? This is Vera Token. Like, they're finding amazing projects that you would never find on your own all day long based on simple freaking math. And that's what we do, because some of this stuff is so easy. You find great projects with great teams that are backed by great people that have a small market cap, and you make money, right? Sorry, rant over. Vulcan Forge, right? Vulcan Forge is up today, 12%. And if you want to talk about like a coin with a decently small market cap, look, 500 million bucks. Like, this is a gaming studio that's producing great games, that's actually producing valuable stuff, and it doesn't have a $7 billion market cap like Mana, so it's gonna go crazy. VPP up 7% today. Amazing. I have a small bag of this. Joe. Oh my gosh, we got to talk about Joe. I even tweeted about Joe yesterday, but you guys know that AVAX is going absolutely crazy right now, right? Like, AVAX is at, let's pull up AVAX 2. I'm kind of going off the cuff here, guys, so bear with me, but I get so excited about these coins. AVAX is up 7% today, up at $109. Look at this. Bitcoin's been dipping the past 7 days. Look what AVAX has been doing. Just going up. Just going up. I don't really care. I'm AVAX. I do whatever I want. So Joe is the decentralized exchange on AVAX. I've been calling this out since video number one. So 2 months for this, guys. I think this is going to $20, right? Once we break all-time highs, once we break this line, once Ethereum goes crazy, once AVAX starts heading to $500, which I think it's headed to this cycle, Joe is going to $20, $30. And so this is just an easy bet to get more juice out of this cycle, right? And think about it. It's just easy math. Once again, 2+2, right? Look at this, okay? What's the market cap on Joe? $397 million, okay? That's pretty big. You would know, $397 million. Well, what's the market cap of AVAX? AVAX has a $24 billion market cap. Which one do you think logically is going to go up more? If it's smaller and everything's going up and there's more money coming in, which one is going to bounce more? Obviously Joe, guys. The smaller ones always bounce more, okay? So this is just basic math. This is how we built this channel. Polka Bridge, look at this, up 12% again, baby. It had a big dump because of the whole freaking getting listed on KuCoin right when Bitcoin was doing its big dump here. So terrible timing, but it's honestly a great opportunity for everyone watching this channel, because I've been calling out Polka Bridge once again since day one. Polka Bridge, if you just look at the chart, other than the last few days when we had that crazy sell-off here, because of that was just literally related to listing on KuCoin on the wrong day, right? But Once, if you just go back and look at the all-time chart and you look at all of these bounces, I know they're small here, but I was watching the chart every single day. I was watching it every single day, and every single day that Polkadot pumps, PBR pumps. And it's the same thing is happening today. Check this out. It happens every single time, guys. I cannot make this up. Let me pull up Polkadot. Look, Polkadot is up 3% today. Guess how much Polka Bridge is up? 12%. Wow. Once again, rocket science, simple math. Look, $95 million market cap or a $40 billion market cap. Which one would you like to own? It's just, guys, making money is not that hard if you know what the hell you're doing and what to look for, okay? So Polka Bridge, another great example. I don't know if I should go through every single one of these. I'm kind of on a roll here. Phantom is smoking today. Phantom is absolutely ripping today. On one exchange, I saw it was up like 20%. Okay, it's up, says 7%, but it was all the way down here. It was all the way down here in the dumps. It's had a nice little run. Phantom is just an easy play. Definitely not one of my like total degen plays because look, it has a huge market cap, $5 billion. So it's not one of my plays that I expect a 10x. I expect a 5x. Polka Starter, looking amazing, right? This is another example, right, where you can just compare a Polkadot ecosystem coin, right? Up 6% today. Well, what did DOT do? Let's see what DOT did. DOT's up 3%. So would you rather have 6% gains or 3% gains? Which one, guys? Would you rather have a $40 billion market cap or a $244 million market cap? I know which one I would rather have. Okay, so I could do that all day long. Let me just go through them faster because I know this is getting long. Moonriver, Polkadot ecosystem. UFO, Metaverse coin. D-Race, Metaverse coin. Kylan, Polkadot ecosystem. Solana, very safe play. Obviously, you guys know what DOT is. PDEX, another amazing DOT ecosystem coin. Luna, another safe bet. Polka City, Metaverse, and DOT ecosystem. So it has everything combined. And then all of these other ones. Remark, guys. Remark is basically the newest Metaverse play that I have going. Also DOT ecosystem. Polka Markets, DOT ecosystem. Aleph and Atri Gaming, DOT ecosystem. So I've been talking about these for so long. If you need more details on the exact coins, go back and watch my videos. But guys, do me one last favor, okay? And smooch the like button if you are watching this video. Please, 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 please do not leave the video until you hit it. Because look at this, guys. We need to break through 100,000. We need to break through 100,000 subscriber support with immediate thrust so that we do not get rejected and head back down into the crypto abyss. You know what I mean? So hey, thanks guys for watching. I hope this helped you and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, peace, bye.